Let's get the semifinals going in 3, 2, 1, rush.
Semifinal one underway. We've got some competition for 1024. Let's see what they were able to do. One falls onto the red side. They were able to corral one down onto blue. 234 now doing what we've seen do a few times with 2 seconds. One now. They were able to get the stack. We've got red machines as well scoring in autonomous. Excellent autonomous mode as drivers now step to the controls. Remember, we're still looking at averages here. We're not looking at wins and losses, so you want to score the most that you can score over these semifinal matches. 234, 1024 down on the blue side, doing some stacking. Meanwhile, 135 doing that for red. 4485, Tribe Tech Robotics going to work on the landfill zone. If you can get a hold of those totes, it's a huge advantage for you. We've got an early 4 points scored down on the blue side with 2 totes, 2 points scored down on the red side with 1 tote on the scoring platform. 135 now with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 points as 234 seats a 42-pointer. Starts to roll. Let's see if they can corral it back onto the step. They do. 135 loses those totes after a lot of hard stacking. Meanwhile, 5188 now with 5 totes and a recycling container. Make that 6. That's a 36-point stack that they're going to work to score. 1024 adds 8 points on the far side for blue. Noodles flying all over the place. Remember, if they're on your opponent's side and not processed, they're 4 points for you. 5188 trying to score, and they do. 36 points up and scored. 1024 down on the blue side. Under a minute to go now, trying to turn 8 points into 42, and they do. That's a huge swing for them. 135 now. Penn Robotics back at it. They've got a stack of 5. That's 10 with the potential to add a lot more points with the container, with the litter inside. 234 now. 2, 4, 6, 8. Triple it up to 24 and then add 6. You've got a 30-point stack they just scored as we come down to 20 seconds. 135 not able to hold on yet again. Loses some scoring. 1024 attempts to take that from 8 points. We'll see what they do with it. 8 points up to 36, and they're able to do it. A huge swing in points now with 7 seconds to go. Scoring all over, adding some additional scoring on the red side with 2 seconds now. 1, that'll do it. 5188 able to add an additional 12 points, triple it up to 36 for red. 5188 puts 36 quick points right at the end for red. We'll see, this will set score number 1, and then we'll look at averages throughout the semifinals. Great match, semifinal 1.